Anyway, okay, I'm sorry that I posted that I ended that video. Okay, so what is that for? It's the flashlight if you wanna. Okay, we're gonna make the light on. Let's just press that and then the light. Bro, I wanna light. Bro, I wanna light. Bro, guys, actually, what's going on here? My touch screen's not working. Okay, I want to see something cool. Okay, wait, how do you do that now?
Top stories: former VBS chair affidavit implicates federal.
Oh, that's live.
Over 200,000.
Oh, wait, okay, guys, first one's done. Look how that turned out. Just put a bit of honey. Honey. Okay, wait, what's the one say? I need some ultra milk. That's what I do, ultra milk, to make it better. For me, my opinion. And I do not know if you guys will like it. You'll see my drip, you'll see my lips, you'll see my drip, you'll see my lips, my drip, my lips, my drip, my lips, my lips, my lips, my lips. Oh yeah, wait, guys, this is working. It's so cool, like when I look down then I look up, it's like my eyes are wide open, then it's just going like, is my eyes normal or is it just way too closed? Because like this is how it is. Okay, wait, you can see my eyes.
Madrodina was delivering her budget vote speech during a mini plenary of the National Assembly.
The increasing impact of climate change could also result in more severe droughts in the future.
Okay, I'm so sorry. But if I had some, wait, look inside the microwave. Can you see my hand there? Yeah, you can see inside. It's like another version. Like the brighter one is my real finger, and that's the reflection in the phone. Okay, my mom put more dough. She flattened it and sent it around.
The majority of those
Okay.
destroyed the
So like this one, I'm just going to I'm just having the smallest piece.
to intensify its operations to detect and remove illegal firearms and ammunition from the streets of South Africa as they pose a threat to the safety and security of the inhabitants of this country.
Comment down below the neatest eater you know.
Disappointment.
Your friend, a family member, just comment down below their name. If it's you, then just type in me. Me for me. But like actually, the neatest eater in my family for me is me. Kind of sounds dumb when I say the neatest eater in my family.
Resulting in the overshadowing of human rights-based and
you know, I'm actually confusing myself.
is the MMA's head of
I am doing the chores. Oh, yeah, and who am I doing with you? Yes, if you get paid for doing chores. I'm holding the broom like this. Like actually look, I'm holding the broom like this. I'm actually sweeping while doing this.
Recapping the top story
Like,
this
look.
hour, some family
Actually,
members of convicted
I
former
guess it's
BBS
kinda
Mutual
working.
Bank chairperson Tifiwa
Like, look.
Mabuzi have allegedly
Is it
unjustly
working?
benefited from the loot of the bank.
Oh, okay, guys.
As detailed in Mabuzi's late
Here's how you put in the dough. Mom,
as part of his plea
do your job.
application
Do your
Victoria.
thing, cuz.
One news at midday.
Okay, guys.
Watch out, the spin is on.
The pan is hot. So, like, I'm finna put the dough
Yes,
inside.
and courage.
Oh, okay, don't time me.
Oh, wonderful.
We have a couple of entries with next year
Government of National Unity.
of national unity.
Smallest pancake in the world here.
Countering pushback village. Government of National Unity in Shitsonga, it remains informal.
Informal.
Okay, last spoon then.
Unity in Shitsonga,
And then,
remains informal.
I'm just stirring it up.
Wawunye.
Give me.
Jarishaka.
Cause I'm finna.
I hope.
I hope next
Gonna wait for it. Wait for it.
There you go, guys. Look at that. Look at that biggest pancake in the world. Okay, guys. Oh no! My mom wants it to burn.